गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण 1.2 अँड एन्काउंटर ऑफ स्पेशल काइंड या पाठाची आज आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पाहणार आहोत. तर चला आज आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पाहूया. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही जर नवीन असाल तर खाली दिलेल्या सबस्क्राईब बटनला क्लिक करा. आपण पहिले साइड क्वेश्चन्स पाहूया. फर्स्ट, what was the profession of the writer's father? Answer: the writer's father was a medical professional working for a private company. Second, describe the campus where the writer's family lived. Answer: the campus where the writer's family lived was a large small bungalows were built for the officers. There was an officers club next to the boundary wall of the writer's garden. The campus was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers and many big trees. Third, how did the family relax after lunch? Answer: after a hearty lunch, the writer's parents and younger sister laid down for an afternoon nap. The writer settled down to read a storybook. 4. What wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in groups? According to a custom practiced by animals who live in groups, a dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its groups. तुम्ही हे आन्सर व्हिडिओ पॉज करून लिहू शकता. फिफ्थ, व्हॉट अटेम्प्ट्स हेल्प द बेबी लंगूर टू रिवाइव? आन्सर: द रायटर्स स्प्लॅश्ड कोल्ड वॉटर ऑन द बेबी लंगूर. द रायटर्स ऑल्सो ऑफर्ड हिम अ peeled banana. These attempts helped the baby langur to revive. 6. When did the baby langur finally find comfort? The baby langur finally found comfort in his mother's arm. 7. What truth about animal-human relationship did the incident reveal to the narrator? Answer: the incident revealed to the narrator that interspecies communication and mutual trust is a reality. The narrator also realized that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal, but that there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion, and mutual understanding. 8. What did the mother seem to convey to the narrator? Answer: the mother tried to convey her gratitude to the narrator. आता आपण सगळे साइड क्वेश्चन पाहिले आहेत. चला आता इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपला आपण सुरुवात करू. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, स्टेट वेदर you agree or disagree with the following statement. Justify your choice with proper reasons. A. The compounds where the writers was living rich in nature's boundary. Answer: agree, because the compound was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers and majestic trees. There were many birds and even langurs around. B. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. Answer: agree. During holidays we don't have to attend school or do homework. We get plenty of free time to read books. C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. Answer: disagree, because if the narrator would not have saved the baby langur, the male langur would have killed it. D. Animals cannot convey emotions. Answer: disagree. Animals can convey their emotions through their eyes, gestures and actions by producing different types of sounds also. E. The narrator was 55 years old when this incident occurred. Disagree. The narrator was 15 years old when this incident occurred. Question second, match the phrases given in group A with their meanings in group in B. आन्सर मी खाली डायरेक्टली दिलेले आहेत, तुम्ही ते पाहून लिहू शकता. क्वेश्चन थर्ड, राइट इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. A. Why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? Answer: first, he deeply observed in the book. Second, the narrator thought that the pack of dogs as usual must have trapped an unfortunate pig. B. Why did Mother Langur make no efforts to grab her baby from the coop? Answer: first, she watching every move of the narrator. Second, she was convinced that no harm was being done to her child. Question 4. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence of happenings in the text sequential order. सेंटेन्सच्या समोर त्याचा क्रमांक दिलेला आहे, तो तुम्ही लिहून घ्या. Question 5. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. A. What would you do If found an injured bird while returning from your school, answer. If I find injured bird while coming from school, I will first examine the exact condition of the bird and check how serious wound it is. If it is very serious, I will directly take it to the nearest veterinary clinic. If the bird is slightly injured, I will carry it home gently, give some grain and water and dress the wound. B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? On the basis of the story, I can conclude that the writer is kind, compassionate and helpful. He must be a sensitive person. He must be brave because he confronted the furious male langur alone. He had presence of mind to take up a stick which was handily strike the male langur. He has understanding enough to move away and allow the mother langur approach its baby simply and gentlest is baby. Question 6. Complete the following and write a paragraph on each of the given activities. First, mother-child relationship, love and affection, care, protection, moral values, inspiration. Paragraph. Mother-child relationship is a unique kind of relationship. No one else can love a child the way a mother does. A mother has natural love and affection for the child. Every mother takes special care of its child and protects the child until it becomes independent. The mother also feeds the child, provides shelter until the child grows up and learns to look after itself. Mother-child relationship is a universal relationship. Second, injured animal. How will you help? Pick up and bring home, provide first aid, provide water or food, keep in a safe place. Take care till it recover. Paragraph. If I come across an injured animal, I will carry it to a safe place and provide first aid. I will wash the wound and apply antiseptic. I will offer water to animal and try to soothe it. Then I will offer to eat. I will take care of the animal and protect it from danger until it recovers and is able to walk away. Question 7. Word in pairs and make a many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. 3 letter words, 4 letter words, 5 to 6 letter words. मी प्रत्येक बॉक्समध्ये त्याचे विशिष्ट शब्द दिलेले आहेत ते तुम्ही पाहून जशास तसे लिहून घेऊ शकता. Question 8. Translate the following proverbs in English. First, जनसेवा हीच खरी ईश्वर सेवा. Service to man is service to God. Second, पेरावे तसे उगवते. As you sow, so shall you reap. Question number 9. Write a paragraph and give an appropriate title to it. Use the following points. Birds and animals, loyal, service, kindness, honest, compassion, loneliness avoided, love and affection, our best friends, protection and security, do not hurt or destroy us. Question number paragraph. Title. The loving creatures. Birds and animals are part of nature. They have an equal right to live on this earth. We must love them and care for them. Many animals and birds are useful to mankind. They work for us faithfully. They serve us in many ways. It is our duty to protect them and create safe environment for them. We must reserve space for them. We must not hurt them. If we understand them and do not hurt them, they do not cause any harm. They can be our best and faithful friends in loneliness. Question number 10. A. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. Types of news: crime, political, sports, social, economics, business. B. Read the following headline and write the deadline, intro and a short continuing paragraph. Achievers narrate their success stories at career counseling events. Answer. The Time of India, Mumbai. At career counseling events held here in the Magnet Hall, Dadar, achievers told how they achieved success in spite of many problems. It was interesting to hear those stories as everyone narrated his or her experience while achieving goals. Such type of information helps young people to achieve success. India's first ever tourism university to be established by IIHM. Answer. Mumbai. IIHM has decided to establish a tourism university, the first ever in India. Tourism is developing fast in India and many careers are waiting for the young generation to take part in it. In the beginning, there will be degree courses in different facilities. Also, various diploma courses will be started. C. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the step as given. First, headline: Tiger attacked 8-year-old boy at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Second, deadline: yesterday, 19th March. Third, lead line: a tiger entered the Sahkar colony and attacked a boy playing in the compound. Fourth, body of the report: people heard the boy shouting for the help. The tiger ran away. This was a third such incident, so it is necessary to be very careful. Fifth, conclusion: the forest department should construct a wall so that wild animals would not enter in human settlements. तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पूर्ण बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.